Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made midnight chocolate chip ice cream. Real tasty. Let's get started. Gotta wash mixing bowl and put about 600 mils or so of whipping cream. And whip it until it's nice, fluffy, and creamy. Yeah. Now you add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Oh, yum. Look at that. Now add about anywhere from a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, depending on how much flavor, peppermint extract. And then some green food coloring. And now just fold this through.
Oh my goodness, so empty.
Alright, then you put in 1 cup of chocolate chips. And then just mix that through. Now you might need to add a little bit more. It depends on how much you want in there. Now get an airtight container and pour the mixture straight in. Oh, just look at this. We'll just put the lid on. Put this in the freezer for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight and we'll see what we get. Alright, beautiful. Now what I did was, after about 3 to 4 hours, I took it out and added some more chocolate chips and I gave it a stir. But that's completely up to you if you want to do it or if you want to do another way. Just be creative. And this is exactly how I did it. And it turned out beautiful. Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for midnight chocolate chip ice cream, as you can see. Oh, the coverage is perfect. So delicious. Oh, perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. I will see you on next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.